So yes, we have our company here, Riman. So kanina lang po at 4 o'clock, meron kaming pinisentan. And this lady is like 60 plus na ba siya? 60
Yeah,
plus years
68.
old. 68 years old. And she's into skincare. Nakakatawa. And then sabi niya, oo, pumupunta pa ako ng Korea para like, I know Korea is good, parang brand, Korean brand. So imagine, hindi lang siya. Honestly, may mga iba pa kami na connect na nagpupunta talaga sila sa Korea for skincare products. So ngayon ang sabi ko sa kanya, so imagine niyo hindi na kayo pupunta sa Korea. Sila nang pumunta po dito sa Pilipinas at hindi na kayo kailangan gumastos pa ng airfare. So yan po yung kagandahan ng ating company. So pinalapit na po sa atin yung Korean skin products. By the way, Riman po, in English means rebirth. Yan po. And so we have our three powerhouse brands. ICD, which stands for Inselderm brand, and then Botalab and Lifening. So for the ICD, we have this skin signature brand, which is water-based. Ito po. Wait, I will... Um, okay, pointer ko. Sige. So here po, dito sa taas, this is our skin signature skincare line po. Itong Inselderm, which is water-based. And then we also have our advanced skincare. Ito pong nasa baba, which is Radiant Som 100, meaning lahat po ng ingredients dito are microfluidized. And this is oil-based. And then on Inselderm brand also, we have the cosmetics. So 'di ba, ngayon pala makikita na natin ang dami palang products na talagang kailangan nakabang-abang po. Okay, when they start on October. And then we also have the Botalab. Dito po sa taas, we have the Deserticola hair care products. And then here we have the Suamel for our body care. And then this one, Lifening for our skin supplements, starting with our supplement for our gut. Kasi dyan po talaga nagsisimula ang lahat. So it's like a probiotics. And then also we have collagen. So nakita niyo naman talagang well-planned po ng company that they have a holistic approach when it comes to their skincare. Ayan. And then, let me introduce to you their patented ingredients, the Giant Biangpool and Jeju Lava Energy Water. So for the Giant Biangpool, this is a Centella asiatica, Asiatic pennywort, tiger grass, or here in the Philippines, it's known as gotokola. So, yan. So tiger grass kasi, the story behind this is that they observed anciently that tigers po, when they get injured after a fight, they look for this grass. And then they will roll over this grass and then they receive complete skin recovery. And that history, that ancient story ignited a passion from our chairman An, which is the #1 formulator in Korea at that time. So for 4 years, he studied about this grass and actually made his own innovation. So, alam mo yung story na to, nakakatawa kasi hindi na siya nakaka-intriga kung hindi may mga tao talaga na they have this passion for their craft. Since formulator na siya, pero hindi siya natapos doon. He made his own. And because of his innovation, yung kaliit-liit na goto cola or tiger grass na size lang po ng 20 peso coin grew to 3 to 4 times, actually 4 to 5 times of its original size. So, sinlaki na po siya ng ating palad. At nakakatawa pa po, it's not just about the size. It's about the properties that the giant pool has. It's 1,000 times more than its regular size. So kaya po may bago siyang name, Giant Biangpool. This is patented because this is considered as a new plant. So imagine the properties has increased 1,000 times with anti-inflammatory benefits, with cleansing benefits and also its healing properties po. So yan. And what we use in our products is leaf water. So they extract it from the fresh, go to call that, from the fresh tiger grass. So yun po ang kaibahan natin sa ibang products po na meron din ganitong ingredient. So ang isa pa po is the other ingredients po na ginagamit ng mga ibang brands is that dry. So nakakatuwa po na dito 45 days or up to 2 months po they harvest it already. So we are assured na ang ginagamit po dito ay fresh. So talagang yung benefits po from the giant young food is part of our products. And then, ito naman pong Jeju Lava Energy Water. Ito po yung matatagpuan. Of course, sa Jeju, makikita nyo mamaya kung bakit dito kinukuha yung water. So this is seawater from island, and then it passes through the lava rocks po underneath the Mount Halasan volcano, which is a UNESCO protected heritage site. This is government owned, and only 6 people po allowed to have access for the use of this water. And our chairman, Anne, has been granted that access. So yan po, kaya meron tayong energy water for our products. So imagine niyo, these are naturally filtrated. Imagine mo yung mga pathogens, yung bacteria, yung lead, anything, lahat ng toxins po from the water, it's cleansed. Hindi lang po yan. It's not just clean, it's not just stable, but it's mineralized. So kaya po siya, this is live water, alive, buhay na tubig. Kaya po nagkaroon ng innovation because they use the energy water for farming the giant biang pool. So kung nakita natin na ganun, naging buhay, naging malaki yung giant biang pool, imagine what it can do to your skin, to our skin. So yan po. Now, with these ingredients, kahit na po gaano kaganda po yung ingredients na meron po ang isang produkto, without its delivery, without its technology, yung delivery process niya, hindi po yan makakatulong sa balat natin or hindi fully ma-enjoy po ang benefits ng mga active ingredients. So, because of this, we have the Western technology, the nanoliposomal technology, using a very expensive machine called microfluid machine. So, ano pong ginagawa nito? It takes the active ingredients into its smallest particle so that it can penetrate deeply into the dermis. So, kaya po in-cell derm, inside the cell. So, gumagamit lang po nito ay pharmaceutical. Bakit po? Kasi mahal po siya. Hindi po yan yung mga normal na mga gumagawa po ng mga products. Iba kaka-afford po nito. Why? So imagine niyo po, yung mga topical ointments, yung mga topical applications po from our doctors, they advise us, okay, na pumapasok po, mga steroids na pumapasok po sa ating balat, ganun kaputin. So, hindi po siya pwedeng matagal. So, just imagine yung ganyang delivery, but what it delivers are safe ingredients, are pure ingredients, are clean ingredients. So, dito po, sobrang namangha po ako when they were explaining it sa amin when they came here in the Philippines last August. So, we have patented ingredients for 20 years. Actually, 18 years na because we're 2 years in. So we still have 18 years exclusivity. And then with this technology, we are very sure that we can enjoy the benefits of the products. So dito po, with the Riemann philosophy, the cleanse, hydrate, and protect, I think everybody naman, or most, okay, mostly, ito na po yung routine natin, cleanse, hydrate, and protect. Pero what's the difference po? For Riemann ritual, they observe or they follow dual cleansing. So here is the skincare line for Inselderm. So ito po siya. We have two washes, the moisture cleansing oil wash, and then the cleansing powder wash. So actually, dito pa lang po sa oil, tama si Coach Pat, we have vegan ingredients like the jojoba seed oil and the black cumin seed oil, and this has raspberry stem cells. So sa cleanser pa lang meron na tayong stem cells. And then we have, after the powder wash, we can use the Too Faced Oil Mist. Ito po for moisturizing and hydrating. Kaya po siya separate. Makikita niyo po in actual product, ganyan po, the oil is separated from the water. And I learned that ang oil pala moisturizes while the water hydrates. And then we have the Calming Balance Gel, which has 24 karat gold flakes to ensure absorption of the ingredients. And then Booster Serum. Booster has NMN, both the booster and the serum, and they have 81 to 88% moisturizing benefits po. And they have also enzymes for DNA repair. So this is very good for melasma. Kasi talagang, bakit nag-change? Because it really repairs from the DNA level po. And then we have the dermatology cream, which was explained by Coach Pat. That's 14 million units. But I think now it has increased to 50 million. So this also has the same ingredients. It has NMN, exosomes, and it has also ergothione, good for rejuvenation and anti-aging or reverse aging. So lahat po yan, ito po yung mga hero products natin that has Giant Bianco Leaf Water and Jeju Lava Energy Water. So anything po sa final phase ng product manufacturing na merong kailangang tubig, they use Jeju Lava Energy Water. And then, of course, with the Protect, we have the Aqua Protection Sun Gel. So this one po, may mga ingredients tayo na patented din nila. And then we have other functional items like the multi-stick balm, which uses Giant Bianco leaf oil. And then we have the melting mask. Marine collagen po yung ginagamit dyan. Very small, 40 times smaller than our skin pore. That's why it melts in your face. So ganun po ka-innovative po ang ating product formulator. Kaya one of a kind. So I'm sharing this with you kasi I want you to have your own Riemann experience because your skin deserves nothing but the best. So ako pa hindi na ako nag-makeup ever since I started Riemann. So, di ba may mga nilalagay pa kasi we have our own skin goals. We have our own skin problems. So ang skin goal ko is gusto ko yung simple lang na wala ng makeup. Pero kahit na ilang may cleanse, may hydrate at protection, akin yun. If ang nawala naman doon is yung makeup. So okay na you're just looking fresh. So maghapon na ako lumabas and then hanggang ngayon, so still I like what I see. Kasi ang kailangan naman po, it's like kailangan masaya kayo, di ba? So ngayon, yung nakikita nyo po ba sa mirror araw-araw, masaya po ba kayo? Or meron pa kayang ikasasaya? So just like these individuals who also tried Riemann products and have enjoyed its benefits. So nakikita po natin dito yung mga age spots, glisten. And this one, crow's feet, or alam niyo yung mga fine lines dito. Look, after ilang months ba to? 6, 8 months of usage, consistent use, nawala na po. And you can see the lid lifting effect. Ako po, I really am into the products. So talagang, we have in our website, may product training group. And I suggest for the others to listen to it kasi meron din po siyang test after every training. At nakakawa po kasi they're seeing na they don't use harsh ingredients. They all use gentle and natural ingredients. So consistent use. Hindi po tayo yung ayaw nila na yung problem solving actually. What gusto nila is protection and prevention. Pero even then, pag ang skin pala ay nourished from within, it will heal itself. Diyan po natin makikita ito po mga melasma significantly reduced, nakita niyo po, at hindi na po babalik according to Dr. Marlisa once the skin is healed. And as you follow po no yung exposure sa sun. So kailangan din po ng alaga. And then here the age spots, halos hindi mo na makita dito after 2 months. And then the laugh lines, 'di ba? Yung parang yung lifting effect dito nitong nasa gitnang picture is really different. And this one, flat cheeks to plumper cheeks because of hydration. Kasi sinasabi, parang ang dami ng ilalagay. But actually, you can curate your own regimen. Yun ang sabi dun sa product training. So you can do everything or you can also like schedule. So pwedeng mag-oil ka sa gabi, the dual cleansing, and sa umaga, if mamadali, you can do just the powder wash. Ang ganda po ng product training. But if you use everything, you can have the full benefits, which I am actually practicing now. So look at the puffs here. It's gone. Look at the heavy eye bags. It's reduced. Look at the dark under eye circles. It's gone. Kaya na niyang lumabas sa araw and now tanned na. So look at our Filipino testimonials. Here, who you know Sir Carlo, nakita naman natin na si Sir Carlo, wala naman talagang problema sa balat, no? Pero may i-improve pa pala. Look at the brightening, the dewy look of using the product. So, and this one naman yung pimple ng daughters namin later, makikita ninyo. And this one is my personal experience po. Yung kanilang anti-inflammatory na sinasabi. This is like, ako po, pinahid or I use the Vaseline lotion na naiwan sa car, and then after ilang seconds lang nangate, para ako nagka-rash, redness, nakita niyo to, nag-swell. And then I use the Calming Balance Gel and the Too Faced Oil Mist. Yun lang pong dalawang ginamit ko. And then after 5 minutes, nakita ko na kumbaga naghiwa-hiwalay na yung butlig, di ba? So nagdi-dissipate na. And after 10 minutes, bumalik na sa normal yung skin. So, ganun po yung reaction talaga ng mga ingredients na gagamitin natin sa mukha natin. Kung ito ganito sa balat natin, what more sa face? Kaya po doon I suggest that those who are doing their facials, yung demo, so kung ayaw nila pong gamitin sa mukha, pwede nyo pong paggamit muna yung testing. I suggest dito sa inner arm kasi dito po talaga matitest natin kung magiging magkakaroon ng allergic reaction eh. So better than dito po sa back of the hand. Mas maganda po dito. And then here naman po yung sa daughter ko. So I took her picture for her actually for posting kasi gusto ko siya mismo ma-convince na to stop using yung mga fairy skin, mga kung ano-ano mga nabibili over the counter dyan sa mga Tianggeda. It's worth 300. Ang nakikita niyo naman, masisira yung skin barrier. Ang skin barrier natin is something that will protect our skin from pollutants and contaminants. Kasi kung hindi, mas lalo siyang papasukin ng bacteria. So look at this, swollen siya. So she used the complete set, and then umalis kami, and then pagbalik namin ng bahay at 6 p.m. Nakita niyo naman po umimpis na yung pamamaga sa cheeks niya at yung mga pimples niya nawala. Hindi man nawala, nandiyan pa rin pero nakita niya yung quality after 1 use. So, kung ito na-experience namin at na-experience namin, so hindi kaya pwedeng ma-experience nyo din. Yun ang gusto kong ma-experience nyo sa products na we are presenting tonight. Hindi lang po ang ating balat sa mukha ang importante, pero doon din po sa mga may problema sa scalp and sa hair. We have Botalab. Itong isa na tong pictured here is only after one wash, natanggal yung flakiness and then dryness and redness and swelling of the scalp. And this one naman, receding hairline, nakita nyo naman po yung regrowth of the hair. It's thickened na, nakita nyo? And also the density or the quality of the hair. Stronger siya. And this one, braso po ito ng isang horticulturist. Ito po yung mga testimonials po from our upline sa US. And after 2 months of using their body care, nakita niyo naman po yung significant improvement sa skin texture. So, napaka-importante po. It's not about age, matanda na ako, hindi ko na kailangan yan. Mas kailangan nyo yan. Kailangan natin ng protection sa ating skin. Lalo na sa mga may diabetes. You need to protect the uh, the moisture of your skin para hindi madaling nasusugatan. Yan. So now, ito naman po yung ating 800,000 US dollars na 3-minute video. Ito po ang kwento at pinapakita ang kanilang Ask Laboratory and how they are farming the products, how they are very meticulous in how they harvest, how they check, and also infuse the leaves with the Jeju Energy water. So, yan po makikita natin na very transparent yung company nila when they really show kung saan po talaga nila ginagawa, ano po yung ginagawa nila. Kasi tayo, yes, trust the brand. Pag mahal po, you don't have to actually convince the people. Pag known na yung brand, alam nila na it can be trusted. Lahat maganda. Pero hindi niyo natatanungin saan galing yung ingredients, ano yung ingredients niyan. Basta nakita natin, ito lang konto, ito, ganito to. Bibili na tayo kagad ng product. Or ito, ini-endorse ng celebrity. Pero dito ko lang po nakita honestly. Kaya ako po napabili sa tagal namin po sa networking products, sa networking business and with the products. Ngayon lang ko nakakita na talagang sila po ang gumagawa ng lahat sa produkto nila. Are not all manufactured. So, yun po yung kagandahan. Kaya you are actually using unique products. So, I'm happy to share it with you tonight and I hope that somehow have gained knowledge po no, na meron palang ganitong products. So, thank you very much po. And now I'm going to turn the time over to our next speaker, si Miss Blue Ann Pilapil. Parating sinasabi, the youngest senior manager in QBS KBC. So she is an IT graduate, and at the age of 23, she earned her first million.